In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the slide backgrounds in PowerPoint. Whether you're crafting a presentation for work, school, or a personal project, having the right background can make a significant difference in how your message is received. So, let's get started on this straightforward process. First, you'll need to open PowerPoint on your computer. As you start the program, it will typically lead you to the home screen where you can see your most recent presentations or start a new one. Once you have PowerPoint open, the next step is to navigate to the presentation you want to modify. If you already have it saved, go ahead and open that file, otherwise you may need to create a new slide deck. Once your presentation is open, take a moment to look over your slides and decide which one you want to change. With your chosen slide in front of you, it's time to focus on the task at hand. It's important that you have the slide you want to alter selected, as any changes you make will apply only to the chosen slide unless specified otherwise. Next, look towards the top of your screen where various tabs are located. One of these tabs is the Design tab, and that's where we're heading. Click the Design tab to reveal additional options and features related to the design and layout of your slides. When you click on this tab, you'll notice a range of themes and styles appear, but we're going to focus on a more specific option, altering the background directly. Now in the top right area under the Design tab, find and click on Format Background. This button will open up a pane on the right side of your screen. The Format Background pane is where we'll do all our background customizations, providing several different options to suit your design needs. Within the Format Background pane, you'll see different fill options. For this tutorial, we're focusing on the Solid Fill option. Select the Solid Fill radio button to proceed. This will enable you to apply a single color across the entire slide, making it the simplest method for a clean and uniform look. Once you've selected Solid Fill, it's time to choose your desired color. A palette will appear, offering various shades and the ability to further customize colors to fit the mood or tone of your presentation. Don't hesitate to try out different colors and see what works best for your particular slide and overall presentation theme. And there you have it, you've successfully changed the background of your slide in PowerPoint. Feel free to repeat these steps for other slides if you need a cohesive look across your entire presentation, or want to vary backgrounds to highlight different sections. Now you're ready to make your presentations more visually appealing with these simple but effective steps.